Mobile phone. What is an iPhone? The iPhone is a smartphone made by Apple Incorporated, combining a phone, camera, computer, music player, and many other tools into one device. It uses iOS, Apple's operating system, and is known for its simple, secure, and stylish design. Baby main uses of an iPhone for beginners. Here's a breakdown of how a beginner might use an iPhone. Telephone receiver 1. Calling and texting. Make and receive phone calls. Send and receive SMS and iMessages. iMessages are free between. Apple uses over Wi-Fi or data. Camera with flash 2. Camera and photos. Take high-quality photos and videos. Use features like portrait mode, live photos, and slow motion. Organize and edit photos easily in the Photos app. Globe with Meridians 3. Internet and browsing. Browse the internet using Safari, Apple's web browser. Use Wi-Fi or mobile data for access. Outgoing email symbol 4. Email and messages. Add your email, Gmail, Yahoo, iCloud, etc. to check and send emails. Use the Mail app or download Gmail or Outlook. Musical Note 5. Music and podcasts. Listen to music using Apple Music, Spotify, or YouTube. Download or stream podcasts and audiobooks. Hammer and Wrench #6. Apps and App Store. Download apps for social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, games, education, health, and more. App Store is where you find and install apps. Globe showing Europe Africa 7. Navigation and maps. Use Apple Maps or Google Maps for directions and traffic updates. Great for driving, walking, or public transport. Closed lock with key 8. Security and privacy. Use Face ID or Touch ID to unlock. iPhones are known for strong privacy and data protection. Mobile phone with right arrow 9. Video calling. FaceTime, Apple-to-Apple video calls. Use other apps like Zoom, WhatsApp, or Skype for video calls. Memo 10. Notes and reminders. Use the Notes app for to-do lists, checklists, or even scanning documents. Set reminders to stay organized. Credit card 11. Digital payments. Use Apple Pay to make payments using your phone, if available in your region. Wrench 12. Settings and customization. Customize wallpaper, sounds, notifications, and more in the Settings app.